Camio's $69 add-on makes any glasses smart, like the Ray-Ban Meta 2.7K video, detachable design, ready to revolutionize wearables. Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking Camio's game-changing smart glasses camera. Launched on Kickstarter on July 15, 2025, Camio is a tiny 19-gram camera add-on that transforms any glasses into smart ones. Priced at just $69, it smashed its funding goal, offering Ray-Ban Meta-like features without the $300 price tag. Clip it on and you're ready to roll. Camio records 2.7K video at 30 frames per second with a 110-degree field of view for epic POV shots. Its 300 mAh battery keeps it running, and a side display lets you control playback. The best part? Pop it off for privacy. No always-on camera like built-in smart glasses. Unlike Ray-Ban Meta's fixed cameras, Camio's detachable design addresses privacy concerns in a surveillance-wary world. At $69, it's a budget-friendly alternative to $300+ smart glasses, letting you upgrade your existing frames with smart tech. With over 2 million Ray-Ban Meta units sold, Camio's affordable innovation is a hit. Ex-users call it a smart glasses disruptor for its flexibility and price. It's shaking up the $10 billion wearable market, making smart tech accessible to all. With Kickstarter success, Camio is set to ship by late 2025. As wearables evolve, this add-on could redefine budget-friendly smart glasses. Stay tuned for updates as Camio hits the market and challenges the likes of Meta. Would you clip Camio onto your glasses? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.